Hi, my name's Pam Doneen, and I am doing a series of videos on what I eat in a day on Nutrisystem, and this is video 2. And first I need to touch on that the diets will vary a little bit depending on how much weight you have to lose, if you're male, female, how active you are. And the program I'm on, I eat 3 power fuels, which are protein foods, and 1 smart carb. And those are added on as grocery store items. And the power fuel is 80 to 120 calories per serving, plus at least 5 grams of protein. The smart carb is 80 to 120 calories per serving, plus at least 1 gram of fiber. Then I get 3 extras, which are items that are 10 to 35 calories per serving, such as my coffee cream in the morning is 35 calories, and that's one of my extras. I don't always use all my extras in the day, but I'm allowed 3. And then there are free foods. Other than you do need to eat vegetables, the non-starchy vegetables, those are unlimited. And then you can also have the free foods, which are flavorings, or like broth, ketchup, cooking spray. So those are the extras. So anyway, we're going back up to the ranch. My son is with us today to help us organize and clean the shop a little bit, so that should be fun. And I'll check back in. It's morning once again, having my coffee. And I'm having it with my 1 tablespoon of Coffee Mate, the peppermint flavor, for 35 calories. So that's one of my extras, and I get 3 extras a day. So I am going to go have my coffee. So once again, I'm back in my laundry room to fill up my 40-ounce water bottles, both of them, and have them gone by the end of the day. So, yeah. I really like doing this because I don't have to guess. I can fill my water bottle. If it has water in it, I need to drink it. If it's empty, it's golden. So yeah, I am
Power off.
Ready to start my day. My lid's back on. Whoops, wrong color. And I will check in when I am having my breakfast. For breakfast this morning, I am sauteing onions, peppers, and mushrooms, and I'm going to put it in a 1/2 cup of egg whites for myself. And then for Tim, my husband, and my son Cameron, I'm going to do scrambled eggs with vegetables in it. And then I'll probably have a sweet roll this morning. And I'm doing quite a few extra because I'm going to put some on my pizza tonight. So I'll put those in the refrigerator and save those. And then I might even put some in the refrigerator for tomorrow for doing chili or just a number of things. I like having it already sauteed and ready to go. Makes it really easy. So I'll show you when I get breakfast done. For breakfast this morning, I am having the Nutrisystem cinnamon roll. Then I'm having the 1/2 cup of egg whites with peppers, onions, and mushrooms in them. And then I'm having this Ocean Spray cranberry juice, which 8 ounces is only 5 calories, so I'm having a glass of that. And then I'm going to have this hot sauce on my eggs. And the 1/2 cup of egg whites is 1 power fuel. And on the program I'm on, I get 3 power fuels, 1 smart carb, and 3 extras. So I'll try to make that clearer as I go. So this is breakfast, and I'm going to go enjoy. So for lunch, I am having the strawberry yogurt bar, and my water's almost gone, so I'm also going to have a Diet Coke today. We're back up at the shop cleaning. Cameron's with us, our son, and Tim.
Hi.
So I'll show you around what we're doing. We are making piles, trying to organize the workbench. We went through a bunch of chemicals that we have, some of them no idea what's going on or what they are, and we'll dispose of those properly. And we have to organize this. This is a big junk pile, garbage. These chemicals we need to dispose of properly. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go eat my bar, drink my Diet Pop, and then we'll get back to work. What I decided to have as an afternoon snack is graham crackers with a tablespoon of peanut butter. The tablespoon of peanut butter is my power fuel, which I get 3 of those a day. And the graham cracker is the smart carb, which I get 1 of those a day. And there's 120 calories in the graham crackers. There's 1 gram of dietary fiber and 2 grams of protein. A smart carb is 80 to 120 calories and at least 1 gram of fiber. And a protein or a power fuel is 80 to 120 calories with at least 5 grams of protein. So I'm gonna go eat this. For afternoon snack, I'm having this Fiber One protein bar, which I should have had it like for a mid-morning snack, but my day kind of got away from me, so I'm having it later. It's 130 calories, 8 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of protein. So this would be considered a power fuel, or actually it could be a smart carb, and 1 extra. So I'm counting that as a power fuel and 1 extra. For dinner, I am having this chicken and bacon ranch pizza with a whole bunch of sauteed vegetables from this morning. I sauteed onions, peppers, mushrooms, and then I also put artichoke hearts on top of this, and it is really tall with vegetables, as you can see. So this is what I'm having for dinner. It's the end of my day. It was a great day. And I am having the shortbread cookies, which I love these. There's 7, and they're a decent size. They're super crunchy, and I really like the flavor of these. And so I'm gonna sit here and eat my cookies. I'm the only one up. And then I'm gonna go to bed. Got the fire going. And yeah, it was a good day. I had a really good day. So we had a great day up at the ranch, cleaning and organizing and spending time with my son. Super fun. I actually really enjoy organizing and cleaning things up and making things look better. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, if you could give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. And also subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'd love you to join me on my journey. So anyway, talk to you later. Have an amazing week, and I guess I'll see you tomorrow.